What is physics? Physics is all about the nature and properties of matter, energy, and time. It is a natural science that studies the fundamental constituents of matter and its motion and behavior through space and time. The University of Minnesota, Duluth, says the following about physics. It is the basic science that underlines all natural sciences. The behaviors of matter and energy govern applied situations in everyday life, like wind energy, X-rays, the MRI, Lake Superior, and satellites. Anything to do with a study of esoteric states of matter, such as neutrinos and atoms, is part of physics. It also includes the study of giant, complex structures, such as galaxies and supernovae. People who study or specialize in physics are called physicists. They study the universe and everything in it, from the super tiny to mega huge. Be careful with the word physician, which means medical doctor. Physicians and physicists are quite different. Physicists have created many objects and systems that have changed society significantly over the past century. Examples include magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, nuclear energy, the transistor, and the laser. They will definitely contribute to our future development and advancement in a big way. Physics has been an integral part of human life for thousands of years. Astronomy, which is a sub-discipline of physics, was actively practiced more than 5,000 years ago by the Sumerian and ancient Egyptians. In many ancient civilizations, stars and planets represented gods and were commonly worshipped. Archimedes of Syracuse, a Greek physicist and inventor, invented a method for determining the volume of an object with an irregular shape. His invention occurred when he was taking a bath and noticed that the water level rose as he got in. He cried, "Eureka! Eureka!" which in Greek means, "I have found it! I have found it!" Within physics, there are several fields of study. Mechanics, for example, is all about the effect of forces on things and the motion of objects. Acoustics and optics are concerned with sound and light, respectively. There are many more. Physics is an important science that school children study at some point during primary and/or secondary education. Most of us had to study chemistry, physics, and biology while we were at school. Although there is some overlap, the three subjects are quite different. Physics and chemistry both deal with matter. However, chemistry looks at the composition of substance, whether they are elements or compounds, and how they interact. Physics is all about movement, forces, energy, time, space, and how matter interacts. Biology is the study of living organisms. If it has life, it is biology. Physics is the study of matter and the laws of nature so that we can understand the behavior of matter on Earth, in space, and the whole universe.